In today's video, we'll check out how to install DeepSeek R1 super easily on your computer. To use it locally, privately, you are in control. No strings attached. I'll show you two different methods. First method's no terminal needed. We'll install DeepSeek R1 using LM Studio. The second method, my personal favorite, uses Docker and Ollama. First way to get DeepSeek R1 is through lmstudio.ai that lets you run local AI models without any terminal coding on the user side. Download your OS version. I'm on a M series Mac. Just download it, drag it to the application folder, and you're good to go. Click on it. Yeah, we want to open it, and you'll see DeepSeek R1 7B ready to install by default. We click. Okay, remember DeepSeek R1 comes in different sizes from 1.5 billion parameters, that's kind of the lightweight, up to more than 600 billion parameters, which actually outperforms ChatGPT. Bigger models need serious hardware, okay? So the 7B model is default, but you can easily upgrade later. Your computer specs determine what version you can run smoothly. By default, it downloads the 7B model first, but from here we can easily upgrade to larger versions later. Let's install the starter model first. See the progress bar moving? Oh, download complete. Click skip onboarding and boom! We're already chatting with DeepSeek R1 locally. No cloud needed. If you want more models, you can just click the settings icon at the bottom to access the control panel where you can browse and install different AI models. So when I search DeepSeek here, look at all these models that are popping up. It's all like different architectures, different sizes, you get it all. Some are distilled with llamas, some others with Alibaba's Quan, and all have different parameter counts. Just pick your poison. Let's download this bigger version now. File size doubles. This is a 14B. Let's click and it starts fetching. Everything is happening on your own machine. Internet's only needed initially. Once downloaded, disconnect. You can use your model on a plane, in the hoods. Total privacy for all your queries. Now, how cool is that? Total privacy for all your queries. Now, how cool is that? With LM Studio, DeepSeek R1 becomes your private, offline AI companion, all without any code from the final user. Now, let's try method 2, the Docker Ollama combo, my personal favorite. Gear up for some terminal magic. First stop, Ollama.com. I love their clean interface. Big download button right there waiting for you. Pick your own OS. I'm on Mac, so I'm grabbing the Mac version. Download completed. Open that installer, yes, and boom! Ollama is now part of your system, ready to roll. The coolest part? Head to their model library. It's packed with open source AI models that you can run locally. And guess what's front and center? DeepSeek R1 fresh off the press. Check out all these models, different parameter counts, different storage, you can see it all. Click DeepSeek R1 and boom, you have the full menu of options based on model size and complexity. We're talking everything from a compact 1GB version that you could put on a mobile phone up to a beastly 400GB model. I'll go middle of the road with the 14B model, and you see the command here. I'll just copy it, click this icon, copy the command, quick Command C or Control C for Windows, and you're ready for some terminal magic. Paste that Ollama run DeepSeek R1 14B command in your terminal. Hit enter and let the download begin. Now we wait. Ollama's fetching everything from their servers. Once downloaded, the model is yours to use it offline whenever you want. Patience is key here. So, the terminal is ready, DeepSeek R1 is loaded up. Let's test it with a random question, shall we? Okay, write me sales pitch for a washing machine that has Wi-Fi. Yeah, I know, it's a damn question. Who cares? Watch how it thinks out loud. This is full chain of thought process that we are seeing right here. And just keep in mind that previously, before DeepSeek R1, this could only be seen in premium closed source model. So this is a pretty giant leap forward for open source. Think about all the token that we're saving since this is all running locally. And there we go. It's finished thinking, and here is the answer. It's writing out my entire sales pitch. Pretty cool to me. Now, while the terminal is nice for some, it can be a hassle for others. So let's install a user interface, shall we? I'll close my Ollama instance by typing #by, and that's it. Just so you know, if you type Ollama list, you'll see all the models that you have installed on your computer. These are the models that I have installed. Now, let's install Docker. Docker, it's an app that lets you run applications inside containers. Think of it like having separate rooms on your computer. It's like a total insurance against any compatibility issue or any rogue AI behaviors. Let's download it. Click on the download button, select your OS, I'm on M1 Apple Silicon again, and download complete. Once launched, let's click to open it, and we'll use the recommended settings. Here we are in the Docker screen. Just click skip here. No need to sign up for anything. You can write wherever you want, and you know what, let's just skip. And here we have our container ready to go. The last step that we need to take is downloading Open WebUI, which is an application that gives us an interface that is identical to ChatGPT's. Honestly, I think it's even better. Scroll down this page, I'll leave the link in the video description, and this is the command in case you have already downloaded Ollama on your computer. So we'll copy that and paste it into the terminal. And here we go. Now that I've entered this command, when I go back to Docker, look at that. I have this new container. And if I click here for my localhost, the screen opens up where if you don't already have an account, you can register and do wherever you need. You can just put whatever email you want, doesn't need to be a real one. And clicking that takes us to our local address where our user interface is. And everything is happening right on our computer. You have done it. You're here finally. Congratulations. Check this out. Now I can select a model. So let's just pick DeepSeek R1 and I can ask it any question I want. For example, just write me a Python script that analyzes public stocks prices. So from here, I can also download other models, or from this list, I can just see all the models that I have already installed in my computer, and I can just switch between several models. It's pretty amazing. Thanks for watching this video. If you followed this tutorial, now you know how to install DeepSeek R1 on your computer. Do it as soon as possible before it gets banned or further restrictions come into play. Take control of your own prompt and data and have fun. DeepSeek R1 is now yours on your computer forever. Ciao!